What's going on, guys? I just got back from Phantom. I went to a couple different fireworks stores. I wasn't extremely impressed with the first store, but I did find these at Phantom. It was about $14. I did not find any videos. I was trying to look for a video on what this does exactly, and I have not found a video whatsoever. So I figured I'm going to do a video tonight. Once it gets dark, I'm going to shoot this off so that way you can see what Glittering Charms from Phantom looks like. You can see here what it's supposed to do. Got your fuse back here. But I'm curious to see what this does. So I'm going to light this off once it gets dark, and I will cut to that clip once it's dark. Alright, this one is Glittering Charms by Phantom Fireworks. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, that one packed a punch. That was pretty good for $13. That was good. If you're in the market for a good $13 firework, that would be the one I would get again and again and again.